Open Sesame! Welcome to my channel, Genies by AB. Hey, hello guys, it's story time. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Open Sesame!
Hello everyone, meet Jack and John. Jack and John wake up early in the morning and sleep early at night. They go to school daily. Jack and John respect their teacher and enjoy learning. Jack and John love their study tables. They go into the playground and have a swing on the swings. They love their pets and keep them happy. Jack and John are ready for the Halloween party. Jack and John listen the stories from their grandfather. Jack and John love winters and they spend winters in Florida. Jack and John have good habit of book reading. Jack has spinning top and John has his Dino toy. Jack and John are learning to play the flute. Goodbye. See you soon.
See you soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.